Jessie.
And I'm Ethan.
Today we are going to talk about something that we use almost every day, the internet and AI.
We will discuss what its benefits, the problem on may face, and how to use it wisely.
So let's start the discussion together. Okay, let's start with a simple question. We use the internet almost every day. What is internet?
That's a really good question. Many people use the internet every day without actually knowing what it is. Basically, the internet is a huge network that connects millions of computers and devices around the world. This device can communicate with each other by sending and receiving information.
So if I send you message on WhatsApp or I upload video on Instagram, that's possible because of the internet. Exactly. The internet allows people to communicate easily, even if they are different countries. It also helps us study online, watch videos, play games, shop, work, and do many other activities. Wow, it's amazing to think about how much we depend on the internet today. I don't think I could go a day without it. I think a lot of people would agree with you. So, what can we actually find on the internet? There are many services on the internet. On the most popular is the World Wide Web and Simple the Web. It allows us to visit websites, read news, watch videos, and search for information or even read online books. That's probably the surface we use the most every day. Definitely. Another important service is email, which is still widely used for school, work, and professional communication. I remember when I first entered college, almost everything was sent through email. Exactly. Besides that, search engines like Google also help us find information quickly. Whether we whether we are looking for homework answers, recipes, travel tips, or news, search engines like make everything easier. Speaking of Google, have you ever wondered how the internet knows which website we want to visit? Yes, every device connected to the internet has a IP address, which is a unique number like a home address, but because numbers are difficult to remember, we usually use domain names such as google.com or youtube.com. So the domain name is like the nickname and IP address is the actual address. That's a perfect way to explain. Now let's talk about the benefits of the internet. What do you think the biggest one? For me, it's access to knowledge. We can learn almost anything online, and there are online courses, educational videos, digital library, and many other learning resources. I agree. The internet also makes communication easier. We can video call with our families, chat with friends, or work with people from different countries. The internet also creates business opportunities. Many people earn money by selling products online, becoming content creator, or working remotely. So the internet is not only for entertainment; it can also help us building our future. But of course, not everything on the internet is positive.
That's true. One of the biggest problems is misinformation or fake news. Sometimes people believe in information without checking whether it is true. Another problem is spending too much time on them. Spending hours scrolling through social media can make us less productive. There are also online scams, cyberbullying, and privacy risks. That's why we should be careful when sharing personal information online. So, what can we do to stay safe online? First, always check information from trusted source. Second, use strong password and never share them with others or anything. And third, think before you post something online because digital footprints can be difficult to remove. And maybe we should also take a break from our phone sometimes. I couldn't agree more. Yeah, technology should make our lives better, not control them. Okay, Yasi, let's start with the basic question. What exactly is artificial intelligence? That's a great question. Artificial intelligence or AI is a it's a technology that allows computer and machine to think, learn, and make decisions like human. However, AI does not actually think like human. Instead, it learns from data and uses algorithms to find patterns and complete tasks. So AI learns from information that we provide. Exactly. AI needs a lot of data to learn. The more data it receives, the better it can recognize patterns and provide results. That's interesting. I think many people use AI every day without even realizing it. Can you give us some example of AI that we can find in our daily lives? Of course, actually, AI is already around us. For example, voice assistant like Siri and Google Assistant use AI to understand our voice and answer our questions. Another example is social media platform use AI to recommend videos, posts, or content based our interests. So when YouTube or TikTok shows videos that match our interests, AI is working behind it. Exactly, AI analyze our activities such as what we watch, likes, or search for, and gives recommendation. Wow, I never thought that many things we use every day are connected to AI. Now, let's talk about the benefits of AI. In your opinion, what is the biggest advance to artificial intelligence? For me, one of the biggest benefits of AI is that I can make our daily activities easier and faster. And for example, AI can help students find information, summarize materials, and support the learning process. It can also help teach create better learning results. That's true. I think AI is also useful in the workplace. Absolutely. Many companies use AI to analyze data, improve customer service, and complete tasks more efficiently. So, AI is not only about technology, but also about helping people solve problems. Exactly. When used properly, AI can becomes a helpful tools that support human activity and productivity. However, every technology has challenges. What are some problems that can come from using AI? That's right. Although AI has many benefits, it also has some risks. One of the biggest concerns is that people might become too dependent on AI. Oh, I see. So AI should help us learn, not replace our own thinking. Are there any other challenges?
Yes, AI can also affect some jobs because certain tasks can be automated. However, AI can also create new opportunities and new types of job.
So, so the important thing is how humans adapt to this technology.
Exactly, learning new skills and understanding technology will help us use AI is better way.
Now, let's talk about something important. How can we use AI wisely?
First, we should use AI as a tool to support our works and learning, not as a replacement for our abilities. Second, we should always check the information provided by AI because AI can sometimes make mistakes. Finally, we should use AI responsibly and think about the impacts of our action.
That's a great reminder. AI is powerful, but humans still need to control how it is used.
I completely agree. Technology should make our lives better, and AI should be used to help people, not replace human, not replace human values. Well, that's all for today discussion about the internet and AI.
We hope this discussion helps you understand more about the internet and AI, how to use it wisely.
Thank you for listening. Stay safe online and
See you in the next episode.
bye.